Hi, my name is Evan Bensamana. I have been with SV Microwave for 1 year as a mechanical design engineer. This is my first job since graduating college as an engineer, but I was immediately able to gain hands-on experience working with CAD software to create models and drawings for new connectors and cable assemblies that SV sells either on its website or directly to customers. I also work on modifying existing connectors and cable assemblies that are already on the market. Lastly, I have a few side projects going on with manufacturing development that focus on assembly automation and expanding our product line and capabilities. These projects give me the opportunity to be more hands-on and creative with my work and make a significant impact to SV's operations. SV's West Palm Beach location is a one-stop shop. We have everything we need in-house to bring my ideas and creations to life. Our facilities include research and development, design, manufacturing, machining, and assembly. I can create a 3D model, make a drawing from it, and then watch our talented machinists and technicians produce it and have it on my desk shortly after. One of my favorite things about working here is watching my projects come to life. Working at SV is exciting. Not only do I get the opportunity to work with new and innovative markets like space and quantum computing, I look forward to coming in each day because of our company culture. The people at SV drive towards innovation and collaboration. I not only work closely with other engineers, but with other departments too. This team environment also extends past office hours. Many of us play on SV's many intramural sports teams. SV is one of the premier engineering firms in Palm Beach. Alongside benefits of location and culture of innovation, SV provides employees with a competitive salary and strong engineering foundation upon which to build. At SV, I can continue my career in design or move into roles such as manufacturing development, product development, sales, or operations management. At SV, you control your career path.